Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your CLA grill. First, gather your tools, including a screwdriver set and plastic trim removal tools. Make sure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the engine off. It's also a good idea to apply painter's tape around the grill's edges to prevent any accidental scratches to your car's finish during the process. Now, let's get to removing the old grill. Begin by carefully locating and unfastening the clips along the top edge. Next, use your plastic trim removal tool to gently pry open the clips on the sides. Be patient and work slowly to avoid damaging the surrounding trim. Remember to disconnect any electrical connections or sensors before fully detaching the grill. With the old grill removed, it's time to install your new one. Carefully align the new grill with the existing mounting points on your CLA. Ensure all clips and tabs are properly lined up. Reconnect any sensors or wiring that were detached earlier. Then, firmly press the grill into place, making sure all the top and side clips securely click into their respective positions. Before you finish, perform a thorough final check. Gently tug on the new grill to confirm it's securely fastened and all clips are engaged. If your new grill includes integrated sensors or cameras, test them to ensure they are functioning correctly. Finally, give your new grill and the surrounding area a good clean for a perfect, polished finish. Enjoy your updated look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.